In the world of digital finance, ensuring the security of our interactions with financial apps is paramount. While mobile crypto wallet apps have become popular, they often pose security risks due to the seed phrases being generated on internet-connected devices. But what if I show you how to use this? It looks like just a credit card, right? It's in fact a hardware wallet that offers both security and ease of use. This is what Tangem wallet is exactly, an open source, multi-currency, multi-chain, DeFi compatible solution that is revolutionizing the way we store and trade cryptocurrencies. And this is my quick review of this wallet after using it for a few weeks already. I will give you all the key info about this product so you can make up your mind if it's the right one for you. And I will also announce a free giveaway, so make sure that you stay until the end of the video. Let's get started. Welcome to Crypto Corner, the video podcast where we talk everything blockchain related to enhance your crypto knowledge and help you navigate easily in the crypto space. Today's episode is dedicated to Tangem wallet, a review that is probably long overdue since I have already reviewed so many other wallets here on this channel and I've been getting questions about this one in the comments. So I took notice and here we are. I received this device a few weeks ago actually, but I wanted to give it a bit of time so I can have some personal experience with it when I review it. I will show you the unboxing as well, although there isn't that much to show. This wallet is like no other. It comes in the shape of a credit card and in the box you will find 3 cards. That's the bundle I got. There's also a version with just 2 cards. Either way, you have one that you use and the others are simply backup. Similar to how you would store 2 or 3 backups of your seed phrase with other wallets, except here you don't have to bother with seed phrases. That's not necessary because there aren't any. Confused? Don't be. Tangem made things extra simple by not generating a seed phrase. It stores all the data in the security chip it uses instead of making copies of a seed on paper or other materials. You actually keep duplicate cards as your backup. Your private keys are being generated in the chip just in front of you once you activate your wallet, and afterwards they're stored securely in the chip of the card while no one has access to it, neither Tangem nor you nor anyone else. This is a true self-custodial solution. It's impossible to extract the private key from the chip, and everything you need to do to sign a transaction is to just tap the card against your phone with the Tangem app installed. This way, you're not in danger of someone else finding your seed phrase and stealing your crypto. The backup cards are associated with the same private keys as the main card, and they're protected by an access code that you set up in the app by yourself. All cards are synced with the same application on your mobile, so even if another person finds the cards, they can't access them with the app on another device because they wouldn't know your access code to be able to link your cards to their device. I will explain more about this when I show you how to use the device, but first, let me tell you about other features that make this device stand out. So first, it is seedless and requires only a smartphone with NFC support and you're ready to go. This innovative approach is not only user-friendly but also eliminates the vulnerabilities associated with seed phrases and provides a very secure alternative. Another one of the standout features of the Tangem wallet is its advanced security chip. This is a standalone microcomputer that has been independently certified with the highest standard of security known as EAL6+. It's even protected against electromagnetic pulse, electrostatic discharge, and X-rays in compliance with industry standards. This level of protection is compatible to that of NASA and the US Air Force. Additionally, the wallet is designed to withstand extreme conditions including dust, water, freezing temperatures, and hot environments as well. Don't be fooled by its simple design and appearance. With Tangem wallet, you can have peace of mind knowing that your crypto assets are well protected in a really compact and lightweight card, which is why it's become such a great product and it is indeed in the top ranking for cold wallets now. So far, this is the only hardware wallet with the highest possible protection rate against environmental conditions. It's durable enough to perform from -25 degrees Celsius, this is -13 Fahrenheit for my American viewers, to 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It is entirely safe from dust, water, and hacking attempts, of course. You can even drop it in snow without repercussions. The cards have more than 25 years warranty, which means that both the device and the chip are very resistant and long-lasting. And let's not forget the backup system. Since we don't have to deal with seed phrases, Tangem allows users to create backup copies of their wallets using the additional cards. I would recommend getting the 2 backup cards, meaning the 3 cards bundle. These can be stored in different geographical locations, providing an extra layer of security and redundancy. In the event of loss or theft, you will just start using one of the backup cards. A stranger will not be able to sync the card to their own phone app, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, about the app, that's available for both iOS and Android devices, and it's easily one of the most user-friendly that I've used. Very simple and minimalist UI, which I really like. More importantly, the source code of the app is open and available on GitHub, allowing users to verify its integrity and ensuring that there are no backdoors built into the wallet. This transparency is crucial in the crypto space where trust and security are of utmost importance. The app works with biometrics, so that makes it even easier and more secure for you. It's got a clean interface, you can see the wallets for various blockchains, and as you scroll down you will find the Add More button where you can get to the list of all supported blockchains, so you can choose which ones you want to activate or hide. You don't need to scroll through all of these, you can use the search button instead to save time. In regards to unboxing, there's really not that much to say. This is what you get. It's literally just this slim box here. The 3 cards are in there and a small leaflet-size instructions. No cables, no plugs. It's compact and light, inconspicuous. Nobody would know that you're receiving a hardware wallet. Setting up Tangem is a breeze. First step will be to install the app on your phone and then pick the first card to sync. The app will ask you to tap the card on the back of your phone, and that's it. This should work through your phone case, but if you have one of those heavy-duty cases that are too thick and sturdy, I would suggest that you take the case off for the setting up, just to make sure that you don't make it harder for the sync. I kept mine on for the most part, but at some point I wasn't sure if one of the cards was reading well, so I took it off in the end. During the setting up process, the card generates a random private key that remains unknown to both Tangem and the wallet holder. This unique approach ensures that your private keys are never exposed, making it virtually impossible for anyone to steal your funds or trick you into giving away sensitive information. After you set up your main card, you will repeat the process with the backup cards. The app will navigate you through the process, and it will even require you to tap the cards in order according to their numbers. So pay attention to the number of the card that the app is asking you to tap. I wasn't aware of their unique numbers, so I tapped one of the 3 cards by random first. Maybe that's how I determined that it was my main one, then the other 2 became the backups. In terms of usability, Tangem Wallet excels. The user-friendly interface of the app makes it suitable for beginners, while its integration with 1inch exchange allows for seamless altcoin trading directly within the app. You will see the swap option in the app. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Ethereum, Bitcoin, and various ERC20 tokens. You can manage your crypto portfolio, lend, borrow, and stake funds all from the convenience of your smartphone. I will post another video soon where I will show you how to use the app. Right now, I'm just going through all the features and things that you should know when making a choice for your cold storage. And of course, pricing is another key consideration for many crypto users. With this wallet, you have a very affordable solution. Compared to other hardware wallets on the market, Tangem is actually really competitively priced. It's under $60, making it an excellent choice for beginners and also those looking to introduce friends and family to the world of crypto. With free shipping as well, my discount, and the option to pay with cryptocurrencies, they really make it easier than ever to get started with self-custody and secure your digital assets. I dropped my link in the description below so you can get my discount by using that link. And on top of that, I negotiated an exclusive Crypto Corner giveaway, so make sure to leave comments and also head over to Twitter. You can scan this QR code where you will find this tweet that I just posted. Retweet it and tag 3 friends for your chance to win one of these by yourself. It will be sent directly by the company. There will be no third party involved. Also make sure that you're following Tangem and myself on Twitter. And you have a few days to do this. I will pick 2 winners on Tuesday. So make sure that you get active in the comments straight away. So all in all, this wallet is possibly the most simple and easy to use wallet from all of the ones that I've reviewed. Here are the 10 reasons why I recommend this wallet to anyone, beginner or experienced crypto OGs. Well, first, the Tangem wallet eliminates the need for wires, batteries, or even a PC. All you require is a card and a smartphone with the Tangem app. Tangem hardware crypto wallets possess the market's highest level of security certification. This is the Common Criteria Evaluation Assurance Level 6+. This certification is equivalent to the level attained by electronic passports, ensuring top-notch security. Unlike its competitors, the Tangem card consists only of plastic, an antenna, and a chip, eliminating uncertified, unreliable, and potentially vulnerable components. The monolithic secure element chip has undergone rigorous security certification, guaranteeing enhanced reliability and fewer points of failure. These cards are IP68 rated, making them resistant to dust, water, heat, and cold. The card firmware has undergone thorough auditing by an independent Swiss company, Kudelski Security, ensuring the highest standards of security and reliability. It also incorporates an intelligent backup mechanism that enables you to link up to 3 cards to a single wallet. This eliminates the need of a seed phrase. Also, you can use multiple supported cryptocurrencies simultaneously, eliminating the need for downloading additional applications onto the card. Currently, Tangem supports more than 24 blockchain networks and more than 6,000 tokens and represents the highest coverage by the number of assets. And the card employs an end-to-end attestation mechanism and anti-counterfeit technology, rendering the need for hologram-protected packaging obsolete. Once the user initiates the card activation, the application automatically verifies that the card is issued by Tangem and that has unmodified firmware installed. The card can be protected with an access code that can be restored using the smart backup function. And it uses a powerful chip from Samsung, enabling it to sign transactions with hundreds and thousands of inputs. This feature is particularly important for wallets that are used in mining. In contrast, some competing hardware wallets struggle to handle such transactions and may even be unable to sign them at all. This is certainly a unicorn amongst the hardware wallets, offering robust security, ease of use, and affordability. Its innovative approach to private key storage and advanced security features and user-friendly interface really make this a top choice for crypto holders regardless of your experience. Don't forget, you also get a 10% discount with my link, so make sure to grab it from the description below, or you might be lucky enough to get a freebie from the giveaway. You have to act fast. I'm going to pick 2 winners on Tuesday, so you have 4 days, around 4 days to take part. Alright, well, this wraps up today's episode of Crypto Corner, everyone. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. Make sure to take part in the giveaway. Leave comments below this video. Head over to the tweet. You can scan the QR code again that you're seeing here popping on the screen. And don't forget to follow the instructions. Tag 3 friends. Also make sure that you're following me and you're following the Tangem wallet. And good luck. You can have multiple entries, so throughout the next few days you can retweet this multiple times, and also make sure that you leave a comment here under this video after you do the retweeting. Alright guys, this is everything from me. I hope this helps. In a follow-up video I'm gonna show you how I'm actually using this wallet, but as I said, it is really straightforward, really simple, and all you need to do is basically tap the card when you need to confirm a transaction. Without the card, nobody will be able to send the transaction from the mobile app, so even if you lose your phone, you are still not at risk of your funds being stolen. This is everything for today's episode. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new to this channel. Also hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'll see you there.